almost all have joined. Okay. So, as you all know, the first session.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning, madam. All of you can switch off your mic when you are
Okay,
talking.
so I think we can start the
Yeah,
session.
because some sound
So,
is
as you
coming.
all know, our classes will be what now? Okay, start now. Okay, yeah. So okay, so we completed now in the chapter. Will develop your spoken skills, speaking skills. The spoken English skills can be developed only when you speak. About new things or topics. Okay, so I have presented a picture on the screen. So I want everyone to be alert and active. So I want you all to be energetic. Okay, so you can start describing the picture. So who is coming first? This is a beautiful picture. Okay, so whoever wants to describe can start. Or should I have to call out the names? Should I have to call out or will you voluntarily come? I think you can come yourself. Yes, come on, guys.
Kaviyarsan can
Okay, then I
start.
will better call the name.
Kaviyarsan, try பண்ணுங்க.
Okay.
Kaviyarsan can try.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, I try, sir.
Yes, Kaviyarsan, please carry on.
Sir, ma'am, sir, ma'am. I saw the painting in my screen. In this painting, there have many mountains, rivers, and some human beings. The picture is very beautiful, and it seen being nature. Sir, in this picture, they have many flowers in different colors.
கவியரசன் உங்க வாய்ஸ்
And,
கொஞ்சம் கிளியர் ஆக மாட்டேங்கிறது. கொஞ்சம் பக்கத்துல வச்சு பேசுறீங்களா?
Okay. I start from first.
Okay, fine. Okay.
I saw the painting in my screen. It is very beautiful, and it's seeing the nature. In this picture, there have many mountains, a river, and some human beings in the picture. I saw many flowers in the picture. They have different kinds of colors. In this picture, some human beings are playing. Some human beings pour water to the plants. Some human beings eating. Some human beings see the nature. I saw the hut in the picture, and it was a very beautiful painting and artful painting. I saw some apple fruits in the picture.
Okay, that's it.
Thank you.
Okay, fine. That is a good description, Kaviyarasan. So the corrections that I would like to tell you is, instead of using the past tense, that is, you told I saw an apple tree, I saw mountains, I saw a house. So instead of going to past tense, you can simply tell in present tense. I see a house, I see a woman, I see many children, I see an apple tree. Okay, so you can use the present tense. The second thing is, instead of using the word human beings, you can use the word people. Okay, so human being is a man. man or human being, Manidan அப்படிங்கிறதுக்கு we call human being in science. But when it comes to common communication or when it comes to day-to-day conversation, it is better to use the word people. Okay, I see many people. Instead of telling human beings, no, like அங்க வேற ஏதோ அனிமல்ஸ் இருக்கிற மாதிரி நமக்கு ஒரு ஃபீல் வருது. நிறைய அனிமல்ஸும் இருக்கு, வேற அனிமல்ஸ் இருக்கு அப்படிங்கிற மாதிரி ஒரு ஃபீல் நமக்கு வருது. But we can't say any other animals here, right? Human being is also an animal. Okay, so instead of telling human beings, you can use the word people. And apart from that, in this picture அப்படி எடுத்து சொல்ல வேண்டாம். Once ஒரு டைம் சொல்லியாச்சுன்னா, then I see an apple tree and some children and some people are celebrating the vacation. அந்த மாதிரி ஏதாவது you can tell. So these are the 3 corrections. Mainly you should use present tense while describing a picture. The second thing is, instead of using human being, you can use the word people. And finally, instead of repeatedly telling in the picture, you can simply tell what the content is. என்ன பார்க்கறீங்களோ அதை மட்டும் சொன்னா போதும். Okay, so that was a good attempt, Kaviyarasan. Very good. Okay, so
Okay,
now I
ma'am.
will
Thank
start.
you.
Oh, welcome. Yes, Uma ma'am, you can do that. Uma Rupesh.
Ma'am?
Yeah, please describe it.
Excuse me. One second.
Yeah.
Yeah, beautiful pictures.
Okay.
One or two are family members are picnic. Mother and son watering plant. One human hand is some fruits.
One or two families have come for a picnic. வந்திருக்காங்க அப்படிங்கும்போது they have come for a picnic, and one woman is holding some fruits. Okay, you are missing the verbs. அந்த action என்னது அப்படிங்கறத மிஸ் பண்றீங்க. That's okay, you can continue.
Yes, small river center the path.
There is a small river in the center of the park. Okay.
A river nearby the house.
Okay, the river is nearby the house. Very good.
House. Lot of the trees.
Lot of trees are there. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. One boy or hand raised left side.
Okay.
Yeah.
அதுக்கு எப்படி சொல்லணும்? You can tell like one boy is raising his hand.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, why is he raising his hand? Any idea?
That opposite children is raise the hand. His action is raise the hand.
The opposite, the girl standing opposite is raising her hand. So he wants to tell a hi, maybe. Okay. Maybe he wants to tell a hi to this girl or bye, hi or bye. So he is raising his hand. Okay.
Many trees in there. Some flowers, yellow color flowers.
Okay.
Pink and purple. And that's all.
Okay, Uma, that's okay. So you did like whatever you can do, you did it well. Okay. So this is how you
Thank
have
you,
to
ma'am.
improve speaking. Like you don't need to feel like I spoke very little, or I was thinking in the middle. I took so many breaks. No need to think like that. Okay, this is how we
Okay,
all
ma'am.
learn new languages. Okay, so that is a good attempt, I would tell. Okay, so keep
Thank you,
attending
ma'am.
all the classes. You will definitely excel. Okay, yes. So
Okay,
now,
ma'am.
okay, Uma.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, welcome. Okay, so the next one I would like to call Kavini.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Kavini, can you describe this picture?
Yes, ma'am. It is a greenish place.
Greenery place. Okay, instead of greenish, you can say greenery.
Okay, ma'am. There is purple, red, and pink flowers.
Okay.
There are 3 or more mountains, and there is a joint family, and there is an apple tree hanging on the tree.
Apples hanging on the tree. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. They are eating fruits or any other.
Who are eating?
The joint family.
Okay.
The mother and kid was watering the flowers and plants.
The mother and kid is, not was. Try to
Okay,
tell
ma'am.
in present tense. Don't go to past tense. Past tense வந்து நமக்கு சும்மா தேவையில்லாம past tense யூஸ் பண்ண வேண்டிய அவசியமே இல்லை நமக்கு. Okay, try to always use present tense. Whenever you have to tell something in the past tense, then definitely you have to use that tense. Otherwise, try to be simple. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. There is a mother holding the fruits, and a kid was raising the hand to say hi.
Okay.
There is a house near the river, and there is so many plants.
There are so many plants. Okay, plural.
They are fielding.
Fielding. What is fielding? You mean fielding or something else? Cleaning. Yes, Kavini?
Work, ma'am. Fielding work.
Okay, who is doing fielding?
There is a house near a field land.
Okay. Okay,
That's all.
then that's all. Okay, fine. So that is a good thing. Yes, so next is Jay Shakti Sai. Can you describe this picture?
I'm sorry, this Rupesh Kumar has raised his hand.
Yeah, actually, like many people are by mistake raising, so that's the reason I didn't focus that. Rupesh Kumar?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Rupesh. Can you introduce yourself?
Yes, ma'am. I'm actually Uma's daughter.
Sorry? Okay. Yeah, Uma Rupesh daughter. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. I want to improve my English skills, so I just want to join this class.
Very good. Okay, so what's your name?
My name is Pratika.
Pratika. Okay, in which class are you studying?
Going to 6th, ma'am.
Very good. Okay, so are you in US?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So is it vacation now? I think it's vacation, right?
No, ma'am.
No. In US, many students are having vacation now. So when is your vacation?
We didn't went to vacation. We are staying here.
No. I'm asking school. Is the school working now?
No.
Yeah, that's what I asked. Okay.
We are not going to vacation.
Yeah, vacation means holidays. Okay, vacation na holiday. It's not going to somewhere. Okay, vacation means if the school is closed, then it is called vacation. If the school is open, then you will go to school, right? So that is what I asked. Now you are in vacation. It means that now you are at home. You are not going to school. Okay.
No.
Okay. So can you describe this picture, Pratika?
Of course, ma'am.
Yeah.
two families went to a vacation,
Went to a picnic. Okay.
went to a picnic.
Hmm.
One mother and a boy is planting flowers.
Okay. Hmm.
One girl is raising her hand,
Hmm.
and one lady is taking fruits for some
Hmm.
members. It's a beautiful scenery.
Hmm.
There are so many beautiful plants and fruits.
Hmm. Good, good. Continue. Hmm.
There is a house so far from the members.
Hmm.
That's in golden color, and nearby a river.
Hmm.
There are beautiful mountains.
Hmm.
That's all, Mom.
That's all. Very good. Very good. You did it so well. Okay. So I think you will excel your mom. Okay. You will beat your mom and you will go somewhere else. Okay. So let's see who is more good. Okay. Every week we will just we will analyze. Okay. Who is doing bad? Is it your mom or you? Is it Uma or Pratika? Let's make it okay. So I think you both will reach the same position, but maybe
Yeah.
Pratika will be a little
Yeah,
bit.
recently moved, ma'am. Recently, April month, I am moving California, ma'am.
Okay, okay, fine, fine. So now, where are you now? Are you at California?
Yes, ma'am. California.
Okay, 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 fine. So how is the weather there?
It's today is good, ma'am. 30, 34, 33.
So it's hot. Oh, okay, okay. I thought maybe it is rainy or something. No. Okay.
Weather is not good, ma'am.
Not good. Okay, okay. Okay, Uma and Pratika, you did well. Attend all the classes. Okay, keep attending the
Okay, ma'am.
classes. Okay,
Okay.
okay, Pratika. So next is Jay Shakti Sai.
Hi, ma'am.
Yes, hello. I forgot your name, dear.
I'm Minushree,
Meenushri. Okay, in which class were you studying?
class 12.
Class 12. Okay, Meenushri, can you describe this picture? We will move a little bit fast. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
I can see this picture are two mountains,
Hmm.
and center of the mountain there is a found a river,
Hmm.
and there are some peoples and there's a mom and watering the plants,
Okay.
and there are the beautiful flowers in the
Hmm.
plants.
Hmm.
There is a one girl saying hi to the uncle.
There is a girl. Okay, like you can say there is a girl. No need one girl. Okay. Hmm.
There is a house on the side of the river.
Hmm.
There are many fruits in the trees.
Hmm. Hmm. What fruit is that?
Apple.
Maybe apples. Okay, it resembles apples. Okay.
There is a one family eating fruits.
Hmm.
That's all, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, Jay Shakti. That's a good attempt. Thank you. So next is Amudavalli.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Yeah.
The people, it's a family are coming to picnic and enjoying the nature.
Hmm.
Mother and the child watering the flowers.
Okay.
A father and the son are planting plants.
Nice. That's a good thing. Good imagination. Okay. Mother and son are watering the plants, and the father and the other son they are they are planting new saplings. Okay.
The family is enjoying a picnic. They are eating fruits.
Okay.
There is a bunch of apples on the tree.
Great.
There is a nice scenery with mountains and a lake.
Hmm.
And the colorful flowers are on the plants.
Colorful flowers are there on the plants. Very good. Okay. Very good. Very good. Okay. So moving to the next person, Arul Selvan. Yes. I can't hear you, dear. Can you check your connection? I can't hear you. You have switched on your mic, but I can't hear you. Maybe I will come back to you later. I will come back to you later. Okay. Yes, Chandran Vishwanathan.
Ma'am,
Yes.
good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. What's your name?
I'm Divya.
Divya. Okay. Yes, Divya, please describe the picture.
Ma'am, this picture is nice. This picture is sceneries. Her mother and son was watering plants.
Okay. Mother and son are watering the plants. Okay.
One girl was rising for.
It's not a rising. Okay. It's not rising. It's racing. Okay. Race pandrathu. Yeah. Racing.
Okay. These are I enjoyed this vacation.
All are enjoying the vacation. Okay, that's it. Yes, Arul Selvan. Yes, Arul Selvan. Can you try now? Arul Selvan, you can switch on the mic and try.
Yeah. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Yeah.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Yeah.
My sons Kaviyarasan and Kadiravan are also attending this class.
Yes, I know that. Yeah.
Just like a viewer, I am attending just like a viewer.
Okay.
I am also trying explain this picture about this picture.
Okay, sure. You can also do this. Or even the younger son can also do. Kadiravan.
Kadiravan, yes.
Yes, okay. If he is willing, he can also do.
Okay. The picture shows
Yeah.
Mountain, river, and peaceful nature. And peaceful nature. The father and son planting the plants, and mother and her son also pouring the water. There are so many plants like trees, fruits. The family enjoying the nature together.
2 minutes.
Beautiful house nearby the river.
Okay.
That's all, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, that's nice, sir. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, so is your younger son with you?
No, youngest son Karnagaran is not here. My elder son also Kaviyarasan Kadiravan here presenting.
Okay.
Yeah.
Kadiravan already spoke. Sorry, Kaviyarasan already spoke. Kadiravan didn't speak anything.
Annapurni, can I interfere here?
Yeah.
I went to the school where Kaviyarasan studied in Savakattupalayam. Am I correct, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And you know that R.G. Naveen. Have you heard of Annapurni, R.G. Naveen, our student?
No.
No, he has become, he is the JEE advanced, he cleared, he is the JEE main topper, he got very good score in NEET. He is from that village.
Okay.
And then he's from that village, but he studied in some other school.
Sir, he is studying Purda Metric Higher Secondary School.
Yeah, in Nambiur. He studied in Nambiur, and then that school, one of my classmates studied in that school some 45 years back. By name Manoharan. He studied
Okay.
there. So he's one of the richest man of that particular village. Okay, thank you.
Okay,
Thank you,
okay,
sir.
that's nice. Okay, so congrats to RG Naveen. In this session, I would like to congratulate him for his hard work and endeavors. So, wishing him all the very best. Okay, so this is all about this picture. So, now I would like to give a small change. Okay, so the rest of the people can try this picture. Okay, so this is also an interesting picture. Okay, so now I would like to call the next one Divya. Divya V. Divya.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Yeah. Yes, Divya, you can describe this picture.
Okay, ma'am. In this picture, I can see a beautiful scenery.
Mm.
A big trees here. I can also see a house far away from the lake.
Okay.
There are some children enjoying the nature peacefully. They are swimming.
Mm.
It's a beautiful picture. That's all, ma'am.
Okay, okay, Divya, fine. So next I would like to call Aradhana.
Ma'am,
Yes, Aradhana. Mm. Describe this picture, Aradhana. Mm.
there is a home.
Mm.
There is a home and some people are swimming
Mm.
and
Okay, there is a home you said. What do you see near the home?
near the home some people are swimming
Swimming. Okay, okay. So near. Okay, then near the swimming pool.
and some people are standing there
Okay. Mm. What are they doing?
and there was some animals.
There are some animals. Okay. What animals can you see?
I can see duck was swimming.
Ducks are swimming. Okay. Then duck is not an animal. It's a bird. Okay. So what are the animals that you can see?
And a squirrel and rabbit.
Squirrel and rabbit. Okay. Squirrels and rabbits. Fine. Then?
And there was a man riding in the boat.
Okay.
And one and a girl going to swim. And some people fishing.
Some people are fishing. Okay.
And some of them are picnic.
Some of them have come for a picnic. Okay.
And there was a dog.
There is a dog.
Okay, there is a dog.
You are studying
there are some flowers.
Okay. Aradhana, you are studying in Infant Jesus school, right?
Yes, ma'am.
I saw that school when I was traveling. I visited Coimbatore the last day. So, is that school in Sundarapuram?
No, ma'am.
Where is your school?
It is in Periyanaikanpalayam.
Periyanaikanpalayam. Okay, but I saw another school in the same name. Maybe it is their same school.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
There was another school name is Infant Jesus.
Infant Jesus School. So I immediately thought of you. Okay. Actually, first I was not sure. Some students said that he or she is studying in Infant Jesus School, but later I thought, okay, that is Aradhana. Okay. I saw that near Sundarapuram Anandas. Okay. Yes, Aradhana. That's it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So now I would like to call. Two people have raised their hands. Rupesh Kumar, yes. Who is Rupesh? Like Pratika.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
There is a beautiful scenery.
Mm.
There is a house away from the swimming pool, like a lake. There are so many swimming in the lake. There are ducks and their kids. One granny is under the umbrella and having a small picnic. One boy is swinging. There are animals. There is a tent.
Okay.
And
you can see a tent. Okay. So the tent is. What's the color of the tent?
Mom?
What is the color of the tent?
Yellow.
Yellow. Very good.
There is a bridge across the lake. And two boys are with the boat. And some of them are fishing.
Okay.
And there are some fun items like ball and games.
Yes. Okay.
That's all.
Fine. Very good. Good. Okay. So Kavita R.
Ma'am.
Yes, Kavita. Yes. Can you describe this picture?
Ma'am, my name is Sanjit Keshav, ma'am.
Ranjit. Sorry, Ranjit. Okay. Can you describe this?
Ma'am, not Ranjit. Sanjit.
Ranjan. Am I correct?
Ma'am, no, Sanjit.
Sanjit. Okay. Sanjith. Sanjit.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, Sanjit. Can you describe this?
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Three boys are swimming in the water. And some children are playing in the land.
Okay.
In the tree, one squirrel is having. And then one girl is fishing in the bridge. And then two deers are there, ma'am.
Oh, sorry. What do you say? Two
deers.
Two deer. Okay. Kanna, I would like to tell you for deer, there is the plural is also deer. Okay. Deer ku deer than plural. Okay. So there are two deer, you can say. Deers அப்படின word இல்ல. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Some of them are boating in the water. And some of the people are eating, ma'am. That's all, ma'am.
That's all. Okay. Good. Okay. Next, Mallika Arulselvan. Can you describe the picture?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Yeah, may I know your name? I forgot.
My name is Kadiravan.
Kadiravan. Okay, yeah. Please describe it. Yeah, carry on, Kadiravan.
There is a beautiful picture. Three boys are swimming. Somebody fishing in pond. Some people came for picnic. There are some animals like rabbit, dog, and squirrel, deer. The house is nearby pond. The ducks are swimming in pond. Some people are dancing and singing. The That's all. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, pa. Very good. So the next one, I would like to call Gokula Kannan. Gokula Kannan, are you there? Okay, Kavini, can you describe this picture?
Yes, ma'am. The boys are swimming. One boy was swimming under the water. There is a rope in the tree. The swan are swimming.
There is a rope on the tree. Okay, you can say on the tree.
Okay, ma'am. One man was crossing the bridge. There is a tent, orange tent. A family was enjoying the picnic. There is a man wearing the hat and sitting in the grass. Near the man, there is one man under the umbrella.
Okay.
There is a goat also. One boy is boating in the river. There is so many deers also.
There are so many deer. It's not deers. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. There is a rabbit and squirrel. There are so many animals also. It is like a forest, ma'am.
It's like a mini forest, right? Very good. Okay, we cannot call it as a pakka forest, but it is somewhat resembling a mini forest or a small forest. Okay, fine. Good. Very good. So next, we have three more people. Rakshan, can you describe the picture? Rakshan?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Rakshan. Good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, please describe it.
The two rivers are forming a small lake.
Okay. Two rivers. I see only one river. Where do you see two rivers?
On the other side, ma'am.
Okay, actually that is a single river. Maybe it's divided because of the trees and houses. Okay. Anyways, okay, you carry on.
And a small house is present on the opposite side.
Very good.
Two tents are present in orange and yellow color. A broken bridge is present. One boy is fishing. Many members are swimming. And grandma is getting a shelter from an umbrella.
Good. There is it's a colorful umbrella, right? Nowadays, these kind of umbrellas have again become a trend. In online stores, you can find this umbrella. Like there is also a chain-like thing which you can connect it in the chin. Okay, you can wear it like a cap and you can go. It's to avoid holding the umbrella. We all hold the umbrella, right? But instead of holding, you can just wear it like a cap, just like a helmet. You can just buckle it here and wear it. It's available in many shops also. I don't know whether it's there in Tamil Nadu, I don't know, but in Kerala, many stores are selling that because of the rains. Yeah, and that's what I remembered when I saw this colorful umbrella. It's very nice, it's very small also. It's not so large. It just covers the main part. That's it. Yeah, continue, please. That's it, Rakshan?
Ma'am, two deers are present near the forest.
Okay.
And 3 ducks are swimming near a small area.
Mm-mm. Okay. So I
And,
think we have done. Yeah.
And many members are sitting and taking eating food, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Fine. Yes. Fine. That's it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
No,
Okay.
ma'am, no,
So
ma'am.
now.
And
Mm.
coniferous trees are present near the house.
Okay. What type of trees? Can you repeat it?
Coniferous trees.
Okay. What are meant by coniferous trees?
It is a type of tree which is like a cone.
Coniferous trees. Very good. Okay. Mm. So is that large
That's
tree
it, ma'am.
resembling? Is that large tree a coniferous tree?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay. So where can you see that coniferous tree?
Near the house, ma'am.
Oh, that one. Okay. Got it. Nice. Very good. So have you
He is very close to Ooty, so that fellow will have many trees there.
very trees are there? Okay. Okay. Nice. Okay. There's anything else, Rakshan?
No, ma'am. Thank you.
Welcome. That was a good description. Yes. Next, moving to the last person, Syed. Yes, Syed, you can describe this picture. Mm.
Okay, ma'am. I will explain.
Mm.
A small pond within a pot, I think.
Yeah.
There are some children are swimming in the lake.
Mm-mm.
There is a house opposite to the lake. The house is connected by a small bridge, a platform. There are some people standing before the home.
Okay.
An old lady sitting under an umbrella. The boy is sitting next to him.
Okay.
There are two deer are standing there in front of the lake.
Okay.
There is a small island between the pond. There is a big tree in the pond. Some of them are sitting under the tree.
Oh.
Some people are sitting under the tree. A dog is watching all of them under the tree. It is also standing under the tree. It is watching what they are doing. Another two rabbits are standing opposite to two rabbits are sitting opposite to the dog.
Okay.
A boy with a tire tube. A boy is keeping a tire tube around him. A boy is sitting in a boat, small boat.
Okay.
A boy is playing with a tire tube in the water. Another boy is fishing in the edge of the park. He is fishing from a bridge.
Okay.
A house is opposite to the small pond.
Okay.
The house is beautiful. There are so many trees around it. A path going towards the house. Small path.
Okay.
That's all.
Okay. Okay. That was a very good description, Syed. So I think that what you really require is the practice. Okay. So what I personally feel is you are able to speak very well, and you also have the skill to deliver the thoughts. Whatever you feel in your mind, you have the capacity to deliver it. But the only thing you require is more practice. Constant practice is what is required for you. And definitely, if you attend these classes, not only the Sunday classes, if you also try speaking like this every day, you can definitely excel in the speaking skills. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So I think all of them have completed describing this picture. So good. So I have called everyone's name, right? Is anyone left? Is anyone left? No, I think Pranav. I didn't call Pranav. Pranav, are you there in the meet? Karthik P. Pranav. Hello, Pranav. I think Pranav is not here. Okay. So anyways, we have completed the speaking activity today. So this is the longest speaking session that I have conducted. Okay. So first of all, I feel so happy. Yes, Pranav, okay.
I have some network issue, ma'am, so I can't unmute, ma'am. It was struck, ma'am.
That's okay, Pranav. Okay, shall I present the picture for you? Can you speak about that for a few minutes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Pranav. So what I was trying to tell, this is the longest speaking activity that we have done so far, because our session started at 10:20. Okay,
Yes.
and now it's being 11:04. And this is such a long thing. Usually it ends by within 25 minutes or something. Maximum it goes to 25 to 28 minutes, not more than that. But today all the participants are excellent in speaking. Forget about the mistakes. Mistakes will be there. That's okay. But all have come forward. Hand raises. Many people have raised their hands. Okay, so extremely happy to know that. Okay, like people are coming forward to speak because you believe the class. That's why, because you believe in this communicative English class, that it will help you to change your skills. It will help you to mold yourself. You have that belief in us. That's why you are coming forward. So very happy, really happy to see your enthusiasm, guys. So keep going. Okay, we will always be there to support you. Okay. Yes, Pranav, you can describe this picture.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
There is a river in this place, ma'am. There are many children playing in this river, and this is like a good scenery place, ma'am.
And the good scenery. Okay.
Yes, and some family came here and they're having a picnic, ma'am. And one boy is fishing from the bridge, ma'am, standing and fishing from the bridge, ma'am. And there is a small piece of land between the river, ma'am. And a granny is having a party under a shelter of that umbrella, ma'am.
Granny is having a party, huh?
Ma'am,
Okay. A granny is having a party under the shelter. Okay.
Ma'am, and there is a boy in the boat, ma'am.
நீ மேம்னு சொல்ல வேண்டாம், நீ டிஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிட்டே இரு.
There is a house in there, ma'am, and many children are playing in the soil, ma'am.
மறுபடியும் மேம். நீ என்ன விட்டுரு, you just forget me. You describe the picture.
And there is a dog, rabbit, and some squirrels play also there in that place.
Okay.
And there are more flowers and a large tree in that small piece of land between the river, ma'am.
Okay.
And that's all, ma'am.
That's all. Okay, fine. So each of you described in a unique way. So that is what seems to be more interesting, like each person everyone are describing the same picture. Agreed. I just changed only now. Okay, till then you were describing that another picture. The picture is same. You are all describing the same thing, but the way you describe is very unique from one another. Okay, like what Pranav describes is something different from what Pratika describes, or from what Pratika describes is different from what Kavini describes. So this is how it goes. So the description, maybe you will be doing the same thing, but the way you are presenting differs. So that is what we really want, uniqueness. Okay, in one of the classes, not in the Igniting Young Minds class, not in our Communicative English class, in another session, there are only 5 people. Okay, I was coaching a group of teachers in my district, and in the firm currently I am working. They are school teachers, and they joined for a course through their headmaster, that is through their principal. And the teachers, they were forced to speak in English in their schools. So the principal finally decided to enroll all the teachers in this firm. And it was a 40 days course, and some people had a 60 days course. So I handled 2 groups. Okay, I'm continuing the second group even now. So what they asked, when I presented the same picture, like they were asking, each person, can you give a different picture for each person? So 5 people are there in one session. So they were asking each person, they were asking a different picture for each person. So what I told them, I will give you the pictures, that's fine. But it doesn't matter whether the picture is same or different. It matters how you present the picture, how you speak about that picture. See, Like there are nearly 15 people in this group. Okay, now there are 16 now. It was initially 17. Okay, so just leave me, Keshamurthy sir, and Amrita ma'am. Yeah.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
I am Mallika.
Okay.
Kathiravan and Kaviyarasan's mother.
Hello, ma'am.
I am also a teacher. Can I join the group, teachers group?
Sure. I will. Yeah, you can contact Keshamurthy sir, ma'am. Okay, if you're having sir's number, you can contact him. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So
Okay,
sir
ma'am.
will be adding you. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Okay, fine. What subject you're teaching, ma'am?
Ma'am, I am a HM PUP school, Punnegondan, Panchayat Union Primary School in government school.
Okay. You are headmistress. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, madam. Okay. Happy to get connected.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Welcome, ma'am. Okay. So that is what I told them. So how we are describing the picture is what matters. It doesn't matter whether you are talking about the same picture or different picture. Okay. See here, nearly 15 people spoke about the same picture. Not the same picture. I gave 2 pictures. I agree. But still, the way you presented, no, like how Pratika spoke is different from how Rakshan spoke and how Pranav spoke. Okay, it was really interesting to know. Okay, so even if grammar வந்து நம்ம கொஞ்சம் லேட்டா கவர் பண்ணினாலும் பரவாயில்ல. What I would like to tell is we will focus more in the speaking skills. Okay, so we are having 20 minutes more. So we will start pronouns today. So pronoun is the second part of speech. So noun is the first part of speech that we completed on last Sunday. So today we are starting pronouns. So what are the pronouns? What is a pronoun? Does anyone know what is a pronoun? Okay, like there are many.
Of nouns.
Sorry?
Substitute of nouns.
Substitute of nouns. Very good. So pronouns are used to replace the nouns. Am I correct? Yeah, pronouns are words that substitute or replace nouns. Okay, so they are actually substitutors. For example, if your maths teacher is absent, instead of leaving you free, some other teacher will come and sit in the class and they will be noticing. They will be looking at everyone and controlling the class, right? Yes, Pratika has raised her hand. Yes, Pratika, do you want to tell something?
Yes, ma'am. I want to tell the examples for place of nouns. We don't want to repeat like if we have a name, like we are pronouncing the name like twice or thrice, we can call them as his or her.
Good. Yes, that is called a pronoun exactly. So can you give an example for a pronoun?
Yes, ma'am. Like his, him, her, she,
he, him, his, her, she. Very good. So you are in which class you said?
Going to 6th, ma'am.
6th standard. Very good. Okay, so I think you would have learned pronouns in the 3rd or 4th standard, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so very good. So now let's see. Okay, so now Pratika has answered well. So now let's see what the others are telling. Okay, so now can someone read this passage? Can someone read this passage? Volunteers? Yes, Kavini. Okay, Kavini, go ahead. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. Read the following passage. Rabindranath Tagore was a great admirer of Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. The love and admiration between them was mutual. Tagore called him Mahatma. He used to address Tagore as Gurudev. They had a cordial relationship between each other.
Very good. Okay, so here this passage speaks about 2 great people, 2 great freedom fighters, Rabindranath Tagore and M.K. Gandhi. M.K. Gandhi, who is commonly known as Gandhiji. Okay, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi or Mahatma Gandhi or M.K. Gandhi, all are same. Okay, so Tagore was a great admirer of Gandhiji. Admirer means like he always respected Gandhiji a lot. He always appreciated Gandhiji. He was a great admirer of Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. The love and admiration between them was mutual. So the love and admiration means the respect that they gave each other. The love and admiration between them. So them stands for Tagore and Gandhi. Okay. So the love and admiration between them was mutual. Mutual means they did it each other. Like Gandhiji also respected and loved Tagore. Tagore also respected and loved Gandhiji. It was mutual. They did it each other. Tagore called him Mahatma. So him here stands for whom? Him stands for whom?
Ma'am, Gandhi.
Gandhiji, exactly. Tagore called him, means Tagore called Gandhiji Mahatma. He used to address Tagore as Gurudev. So who is he here? He
also Gandhiji.
He is also Gandhiji only. Gandhiji used to address Tagore as Gurudev. Addressing means to call someone. Okay. It's like a nickname. Okay. This is not a name that we call at home or something. This is not like pet name. It is a nickname. Okay. So Gurudev, Gandhi, Mahatma means it is a nickname that Tagore calls Gandhiji. And Tagore was called as Gurudev by Gandhiji. They had a cordial relationship between each other. It means they stands for Gandhiji and Tagore. So they had a cordial relationship, means a friendly relationship between each other. So in this small passage, you would have come across some pronouns, right? So let me ask Pratika. Pratika, can you identify the pronouns in this passage?
Yes, ma'am. He, him, he, him, them.
Exactly. And one more.
They.
Yes, very good. So there are 4 pronouns in this passage. He, him, them, and they. Okay, so these are pronouns. Okay, so what is the use of pronouns? That is what now we are going to check. The part of speech that replaces a noun is called a pronoun. Okay, so instead of repeating a noun again and again, we can substitute it or replace it with another part of speech called pronoun. The words replacing the pronouns in the previous passage are called pronouns. So them, him, he, and they are the pronouns in the passage. So pronouns are words that replaces a noun. Okay. So instead of repeating the same thing, Tagore and Gandhi, telling the same names again and again, I can use the words them, him, he, they, their, etc. Okay. So now we know that pronouns actually substitute nouns. Nouns are replaced by words than pronouns. Okay. So, one pronoun, imagine that he is a pronoun that replaced Gandhiji, right? He, see in this third sentence, you can see, he used to address Tagore as Gurudev. So this he actually stands for Mahatma Gandhi. So instead of Mahatma Gandhi only, I used he. He used to address Tagore as Gurudev. So I am using he instead of the noun Mahatma Gandhi. So that noun is called an antecedent. Antecedent. எந்த நவுனுக்கு வந்து நான் pronoun வச்சு replace பண்றேனோ, எந்த நவுனை வந்து நான் அங்க remove பண்ணி அங்க ஒரு pronoun-ஆல substitute பண்றேனோ, that noun is called an antecedent. The noun that a pronoun replaces is called an antecedent. So in this passage, Rabindranath Tagore and Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi are the 2 antecedents of the pronoun them. So them is a pronoun that is used instead of writing Rabindranath Tagore and Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Am I correct? So Rabindranath Tagore and Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi are 2 nouns. So these 2 nouns are replaced by the pronoun them. So these 2 nouns are called antecedents. Antecedents of the pronoun them. Similarly, Gandhi is the antecedent for the pronoun he and him. Them and they are the antecedents for both Tagore and Gandhi. Clear? So this is all about the basics of pronouns. So now let's check what are the commonly used pronouns. So can someone read this commonly used pronouns? Aradhana, can you read it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Commonly used pronouns: I, you, they, we, he, she, it, me, them, him, her, us, their, this, that, these, those, mine, yours, his, hers, ours, theirs, its, etc.
It's, its, that is its. Okay. It's, etc. Okay. If I say it has a long tail, its name is John. It means if you are having an animal or bird and all, you can use it. Its tail is black. Its nose is red. Its ears are long. Right? So it means adanudaya. Okay. So these are the commonly used pronouns in English. So firstly, we will be studying the 7 basic pronouns: I, you, they, we, he, she, and it. I repeat: I, you, they, we, he, she, it. These are called the personal pronouns. Okay, so there are basically 10 types of pronouns, but no need to worry. You need to study only the first 5 types of pronouns. Okay, why I'm telling like that is because since you are all school students or college students, for general conversation or for day-to-day conversation, you need to know only the first 5 types of pronouns. The remaining 5 types will also be discussed in the class, but you need to give importance for the first 5 types only. So we will first check their names: personal, possessive, demonstrative, interrogative, reflexive, also called as emphatic, relative, distributive, indefinite, reciprocal, and exclamatory. Okay, so the first 5 pronouns are personal pronouns, possessive pronouns, demonstrative pronouns, interrogative pronouns, and reflexive pronouns. If someone is studying in 10th standard, or if anyone has completed 10th standard, if you remember your textbook, you can see the first chapter itself, you will be having pronouns. 10 different pronouns சொல்லிட்டு ஒரு concept map மாதிரி கொடுத்திருப்பாங்க. Okay, so that is really valuable. It's very worthy. If you are having the 10th standard textbook with you, have it. I'm talking about the state board. Okay, the state board textbook, Samachir Kalvi's textbook. I don't know whether it is there in NCERT textbook because the textbook is nowadays changed. Okay, so since it has changed, I don't know whether the structure is same or different. But in Samachir Kalvi's textbook, it is given. And I liked it very much because that is very essential. Pronouns are very, very essential in grammar. Okay, so now let's move to the first type of pronoun, personal pronouns. We can complete personal pronouns today. Okay, இன்னைக்கு இது மட்டும் complete பண்ணிடலாம். So personal pronouns, I said the first 7 are called personal pronouns, right? I, you, they, we, he, she, it. So these are called subjective personal pronouns. Personal pronouns தான் அதில் these 7 are called subjective personal pronouns. Subjective means the pronouns that come in the place of the subject. Subject means it is the first part of a sentence. So these 7 pronouns can come in the first part of a sentence, right? You can start a sentence with I, you can start a sentence with you, they, we, he, she, it. You can begin a sentence with any of these 7 pronouns. So that is the reason they are called subjective personal pronouns. Okay, we have some more personal pronouns. They are called objective personal pronouns. Subjective and objective. That is why I have mentioned here like that. Personal pronouns are divided into 2: subjective personal pronouns and objective personal pronouns. So now first, let's check what are subjective personal pronouns. So personal pronouns such as I, you, they, we, he, she, it. இது வரைக்கும் வருது subjective personal pronouns. Me, them, us, him, her, it. இது வரைக்கும் வருது objective personal pronouns. That is, next screen la, here it will be little more clear for you. Subjective personal pronouns are I, you, they, we, he, she, it. Okay, in that I have divided it into singular and plural. So I is singular, you is singular, he is singular, she is singular, it is singular, his is singular, her is also singular, but his and her, they are not considered as subjective pronouns. Not every time. Okay, like subjective pronouns na I, you, he, she, it, idu mattumda. His, her vandu it comes under possessive pronouns. But irundhalum subjectல வரும் அப்படிங்கிறதுனால we can call it subjective personal pronouns. And coming to plural subjectives, we can say we, you, they. We na, it is plural. They is also plural. You means it is singular and plural, because if I say you look beautiful, then that is singular. If I tell you are good, you are all good students, then you is plural, right? நீங்க எல்லாரும். So you is both singular and plural. So singular subjective pronouns are I, you, he, she, it, his and her. Plural subjective pronouns are we, you and they. Okay. Now moving to objective personal pronouns. Objective personal pronouns are again divided as singular and plural so that you can easily understand. Me, you, him, her and it. These are objective pronouns, singulars. The reason is you cannot begin a sentence with me. You cannot begin a sentence with him. You cannot always begin a sentence with her. Okay, but whereas if you these pronouns can fall in the place of an object. Object oda place la ivanga ellarume varalam. Me la end agalam. A sentence can end with me, you, him, her, it. That is the reason they are called objective pronouns. Similarly, the plural objective pronouns are us, you and them, because you can end a sentence with us, you and them, but you cannot begin a sentence with us and them. Okay, so you is repeated. You is both subjective and objective. It is also subjective and objective. The rest of the things are not repeated. Okay, so here you can see personal pronouns such as I, you, they, we, he, she, it, me, them, us, him and her stand for personal pronouns and they replace persons and things. Personal pronouns are again divided into two: subjective personal pronouns and objective personal pronouns. அதுதான் இப்ப நம்ம பார்த்தோம். So here there is an example. Yeah, can someone read that example? Yes, can Rakshan, can you read? Okay, Rakshan, can you read the example, or Pratika has raised her hand? Okay, Pratika, you can read the example.
It's okay, Mom. He can read.
No, he has not come. You can read it.
Oh, okay. Mom, can you scroll the?
Actually, it is all. It's fully scrolled. Okay, like I will read it then if you can't.
Oh, okay, I can.
Yeah, okay. Seema and Soma are two friends. He likes her very much. She is also very fond of him. Okay, so Seema and Soma are two friends. Fine. He likes her very much. She is also very fond of him. Fond of him means she also likes him a lot. Okay. So here you can see he and she play the role of subjects. So in the second sentence you can see he likes her very much. So he comes in the place of a subject, right? We know a sentence is divided into three: subject, verb and object. So he comes in the position of the subject. So he, and the second sentence you can see she is also very fond of him. Again, she is also in the position of a subject. So he and she play the role of subjects. So they are called subjective personal pronouns. That is the reason why they get this name, subjective or objective. The name goes because of their position in the sentence. Okay, it depends on their position in a sentence. Now, coming to the objective personal pronouns, the pronoun her in the second sentence. He likes her very much. So in the second sentence, you can say her. Her comes in the place of an object, right? So the pronoun her in the second sentence plays the role of an object. Similarly, in the third sentence, she is also very fond of him. So him in the third sentence also acts as an object. Hence, both her and him are called objective personal pronouns. Clear? So subjective personal pronouns are those that come in the beginning of a sentence, whereas objective personal pronouns are those that come in the end of a sentence. Okay, so again, let's revise this. I, you, he, she, it, his, her, we, you, they. These are subjective personal pronouns. And objective personal pronouns are me, you, him, her, it, us, and them. These are the objective personal pronouns. Okay, and there is only one exception in personal and in subjective and objective personal pronouns. You is both singular and plural, because sometimes நீ அப்படின்னா அது வந்து ஒருத்தரை சொல்றோம், ஆனா நீங்க அப்படிங்கும்போது அது நிறைய பேரை சொல்றோம் இல்லையா? So that is the reason you is sometimes singular and sometimes plural. Clear? So the second type is possessive pronouns that we will discuss in the next class. After that we have demonstrative pronouns. All these are very easy. Then we have interrogative pronouns. All will be in the form of questions. Then we have reflexive pronouns. Reflexive pronouns are also interesting. They are also called emphatic pronouns. Okay. So is today's class clear? What are pronouns and what are the different types of pronouns and personal pronouns? Is anyone having any doubts? You can clear it now. If you're having any doubts, you can clear it.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Aradhana.
Ma'am,
Yeah, please ask. Go ahead.
Personal pronouns I cannot understand, ma'am.
Which one?
That personal pronouns.
Personal pronouns puriyaliya? Okay. So personal pronouns means I, you, they, we, he, she, it. See, here you can see that. I, you, they, we, he, she, it. These are called personal pronouns. So personal pronouns are so I, you, they, we, he, she, it. This is an order. You have to study this order. Okay. So these are called personal pronouns. அதுலயே நம்ம subjective personal pronoun, objective personal pronoun அப்படி ரெண்டு படிக்கிறோம் நம்ம. Subjective வேற, objective வேற. Subjectiveல we have 7, on objective also we have 7. So I, you, they, we, he, she, it are subjective personal pronouns. Me, them, him, her, us, you, and it. These are called objective personal pronouns. Okay. So subjective personal pronouns means those that are used in the beginning of a sentence. Objective personal pronouns means those used in the end of a sentence. Is it clear? Is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
So what are the words for the children, for the students, this question? What are the words with which we cannot start a sentence? What are the words with which we cannot start a sentence? Anybody? With a particular word, we cannot start a sentence. So what are those words?
Sir, him.
Him, then was correct.
Her.
Her, correct. One more.
Them. Them. Sir, them.
Them, then one more.
There.
No, there you may be able to.
There is possible, Kanna.
It's
Okay.
possible, yeah.
Yeah.
What is the other?
Us.
Us, correct. Then one more is there.
And
there மாதிரியே இன்னொன்னு இருக்கு.
Me.
Me, and there is one more. Yeah.
So these are the things. So if you can.
Them.
Yeah.
Them.
Them,
Yeah.
yes. So like this, you can keep in your, when you are learning, in the Mari or cross questions you can put for yourself and then try to understand, which we will never forget in your life. Once you put a cross question for yourself and try to answer that particular cross question, you will never forget such things. Then even if you don't know whether it's subjective personal pronoun or objective, and the word and the theriyati parvala, but how to make use of it is more important. Understood, Nitya? I mean, not Nitya. What is it?
Aradhana.
Aradhana, you are in which class now?
6th standard, sir.
6th standard. Elephants are coming to your house?
No, sir. It is in Green Garden only, sir.
Okay. In Green Garden, elephant are coming, not to your house.
No, sir.
Okay.
In Green
Very good.
Garden only.
Okay.
She's in Poochiyur, right?
Yeah. I had been there. And me, myself and Aradhana went for a walk.
Yeah, I remember the photos. Yeah.
Right.
Okay, students, is anyone else having any doubts? You can ask now. Okay, because pronouns is an important topic, so if you need any clarification, feel free to ask. Even if you have a doubt after this class, post it in the group, I will answer it. Okay, because this topic, like many people still don't know where to use he and she. You will really wonder. Studying in 7th standard and 8th standard, still they don't know the meaning of he and she properly. Avan abdina he, aval abdina she abdingarada, still students are confused because they are not getting the proper base from the schools. I don't know whether it is the fault of the schools or the students, I don't know, but somehow there is a mismatch in their understanding. They are not able to connect it. So he na aval illa avan idile edu correct ngarada still some students are wondering, especially government school students are wondering. Okay, so
adukku karanam, because when a girl refers to another girl, she says da d nu solukku bola da nu solliranga, so the confusion comes whether it's boy or a girl. Even the girls among themselves, when they talk, they put da.
Yeah.
So that is one confusion. Anyway, I'm going to give one question to all the students, and you try, you will get a prize for that. Indira Gandhi, இந்தியாவின் எத்தனையாவது பிரதம மந்திரி? This is in Tamil. You have to translate it. இந்திரா காந்தி அப்படின்னு ஒரு பிரதம மந்திரி இருந்தாங்க. இந்திரா காந்தி இந்தியாவின் எத்தனையாவது பிரதம மந்திரி? இதை இங்கிலீஷில் நீங்கள் டிரான்ஸ்லேட் பண்ண ப்ரைஸ் உண்டு. எல்லாம் இதில் அனுப்புங்க, குரூப்பில் அனுப்புங்க.